Rosemary Infused Body Butter. Wash and completely dry the rosemary and remove from the stem. Heat on low with the 1/2 cup of oil you choose. I chose sweet almond oil. Then double boil 1 cup of raw shea butter and 1/4 cup of coconut oil. On low heat melt the butter and oil, takes about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Remove butter from heat, let sit for 10 minutes, while cooling. Strain the rosemary oil and set aside. Next, gently stir in the rosemary oil and 1/4 cup of almond oil to the melted butter oil. Then put in fridge to cool for about 30 minutes. Want to slightly solidify. Mix until it reaches a light, fluffy consistency. At this point, add any essential oils you want. I used 15 drops lavender and 1 teaspoon of vitamin E. Then drop this baby into an airtight container.